Updating your billing address on Expedia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRAP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the payment methods or billing information section. Click on this option to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your billing address. Find the option to edit your billing address. Enter your new address information in the provided fields and ensure all details are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing address is saved in your account. Make sure to double check your information after saving. Keeping your billing address updated helps avoid issues with bookings and payments.